Hello everyone, in this video we will learn 3 smart view tab tips in Excel. So let's start this in Excel and here you can see I have data. The first tricks here I'm going to remove the grid line. So these are the grid line is showing in Excel. You can see these are the line. So I'm going to remove these, go to the view tab. In show group just untick this grid line option and here you can see your grid line is removed. And the second trick to hide the formula bar. You can see this is a formula bar. Okay. You can see these are the formula bar. Okay. So this formula bar, I'm going to hide it same as go to the view tab. Okay. Just go to the view tab. In show group, have a formula bar option. Just untick this option and you can see your formula bar is hide. Now I'm going to hide the heading. You can see the heading name of column name showing A, B, C, D, E, F, C. This heading I'm going to hide it. So again, go to the view tab in show group, click on the heading options, untick this heading option. And you can see the both column and row heading also hide. Okay. So this is so helpful to neat and clean data. So clean your Excel file for your dashboard reports. Okay. And one more bonus trick I'm show you here. If you want to hide the scroll bar, okay, so the scroll bar, if you want to hide, you can. So this is a scroll bar. Okay, this is a vertical scroll bar. Okay, you can just scroll and check your data here. And this is a horizontal scroll bar. Okay, so you can easily hide this. Simply go to the file tab and click on the more option and click on the option. Okay, and here the Excel option dialog box is open. Click on the advanced and just drag below and just go to the display option for this workbook. Okay, and here select the workbook. So select here the, you can see here the current workbook showing Excel tutorial. If you want to select any another workbook, you can select here. Just click on this drop down arrow and you can select another workbook. Those are open in your the window. Okay, so just untick this option, show horizontal scroll bar and show vertical scroll bar. Okay, the both option is untick and click on OK. And here you can see the scroll bar also hide. Okay, so now see your Excel file showing the different look. Hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.